If you have a practice with at least $1.5 million in collections, LPS will analyze your practice and tell you its current market value to one or more of the hundreds of invisible dental support organizations, also known as IDSOs. This is not a theoretical appraisal, but rather a value based upon recent, actual transactions of other practices like yours. The entire process is free and without obligation. 1. Set up a 20-minute call with our founder, Chip, to learn more about invisible dental support organizations, also known as IDSOs, and tell us a little about your practice. 2. We both sign a non-disclosure agreement so that our conversations and your information is confidential. Provide us with your last 3 years of your profit and loss statements, no tax returns. 4. Once we have reviewed your data, an LPS analyst will contact you to schedule a brief call to ask questions and learn more. 5. LPS will then contact you to schedule a call to tell you what your practice value is and the various structure options you might have to monetize a part of it with an IDSO partner. The whole process from start to finish should take about 10 days. In the worst case, you will have learned something valuable even if you're not ready to put cash in the bank from an IDSO partner.